Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix right-click on desktop not working Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is type GP Edit in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates under User Configuration. Click and expand Windows Components, click and expand File Explorer. Open Remove File Explorer Default Context Menu, change to Not Configured, click Apply, click Close and restart system. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Kernet User, click and expand Software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand Current Version, click and expand Policies. Create new key named as Explorer under Policies. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as No View Context Menu, change value data to 0, close and exit Registry Editor. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC/scanno. Type DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.